In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a ManyChat team member admin. We'll walk through this process step by step, so you can confidently remove an admin from your ManyChat account when someone leaves your team, changes roles, or simply no longer needs that level of access. First, start by logging into your ManyChat account. Use your usual login method, whether that's email and password or a connected platform. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. This is where ManyChat groups most of the core navigation options. You're looking for the settings option, which is represented by a small gear icon. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open your account settings. Inside the settings area, you'll see a new menu on the left side of the screen. This panel contains different sections related to how your workspace is configured. Here, you want to find the section labeled Team Members. This is where you manage who has access to your ManyChat account and what kind of permissions they have. Click on Team Members to open that page. On the Team Members page, you'll see a list of everyone who currently has access to this ManyChat account, along with their roles and permissions. Take a moment to carefully identify the admin you want to remove. It's a good idea to double check that you've selected the correct person, since removing an admin will revoke their access. Once you've found the correct admin in the list, look to the right side of that person's row. You'll see an edit button associated with their profile. Click on edit to open that team member's details and permissions. Inside the team member's information window, you'll see various details about their access. Here, you're looking specifically for the option to remove them from the account. Click the remove button. When you do this, ManyChat will show a confirmation pop-up. This is a safety step to make sure you don't remove someone by accident. Read the confirmation message carefully to ensure you're removing the right admin. If everything looks correct and you're sure you want to proceed, click Confirm at the bottom right of the pop-up. After you confirm, that admin will be removed from your ManyChat team members list and will no longer have access to this account. And that's it. You've successfully removed a ManyChat team member admin.